Hello, good day everyone. So, mag-screen record lang ko no kay since whole day ang pag-ulan karon o kasagaran po hinay connection. So, now first let's review the sets. Okay. So, last meeting we have discussed about sets. So, we discussed the definition of set, methods of describing set, which are the rooster or listing method, set builder notation, and also the types of set, which are finite, infinite, unit, empty, universal, cardinal number, subset, proper subset, and equal set. So, um, a little bit review sa katong keywords aning methods of describing set. Ang rooster listing method is a direct way. Next is set builder notation or rule method is an indirect way of presenting the sets. So, next, the types of sets. So, itong keywords ani kay finite, kay may hangganan, infinite, walang hanggan, unit is single, empty is walay sulod, universal is nasa iyo na ang lahat, and iyahang sign kay kuan, big U, cardinal number, the keyword is pila ka buok. And the sign for cardinal number is and close and open parenthesis A. And A. So, ganing A, pwede ni siya mailisan og name sa set. Next is subset. Iyang sign kay C nga nay line sa ubos. And ang keywords for subset is tanang elements ni A na kay B. Next is proper subset. Proper subset sign is C lang. And ang kuan po nato sa proper subset is tanang elements ni A naka B pero si B kay naipasobra. Ana. So, equal set, iyang sign kay equal sign tapos tanang elements ni A kay pareha ka B. So, parehag elements C, A, and B. Pareha gyud tanan. Next, let's go to another lesson, which is about set also. But this time, it's operation on sets. So, next one, here are the things we are going to talk about. First is the union of sets. Next, intersection of sets. Complement of sets. Difference of two sets. Symmetric difference of sets. Next is disjoint or non-intersecting. And next one is ordered pair and Cartesian product of sets A and B. So operation of sets. So first is union of sets. The union of A and B, denoted by A union B, is the set of all elements in X in the universal, such that X is in A or X is in B. So, ang union of sets, sayun ra, ang iyang sign kay small u. Small u. Okay. So, ang sign niya, A, small u, B. And ang union, unite, um, all elements in A. Okay. So, again, ang union is unite or giipon. Giipon tanang elements ni A and B. Again, union, iyang sign kay A, A small u, B. A small ub, and union, unite, giipon ta ng elements ni A and B. Next, intersection of sets. Let A and B be subsets of a universal set U. The intersection of A and B denoted by A intersect B is the set of all elements in X in the universal such that X is in A and X is in B. So sa intersection of sets naman, intersect or ilahang common element. Ang sign sa intersection is A, U na bali, and B. So, atong keyword for intersection is common elements of A and B. So, take note ha, kaning A and B, pwede ni sila mailisan o any letters. So, now let's have the example. Say for example, naay mga students na kani ilang ganahan na sport for na ganag soccer na pay ganag basketball. So ang ganahan og soccer si Eugene, si David, and si Gilbert. And ang ganahan og basketball kay si Bill, Calvin, David, and Gilbert. So atong buhaton una is ah pwede po ka magbutang og Venn diagram para ma-visualize nimo kung asa na dapit ang mga elements. Puwede ra pud wala. So, first sa paghimog Venn diagram is ang ilang common elements. So, ang common elements sa S and B is R, D, and G. Okay, D and G ang common. And then, ang sa soccer lang, walay labot sa kuan, basketball. So, soccer lang is letter A. And sa letter B, sa basketball, set B, ang mga elements na bilin kay B and C. So, first, we've got the union of sets. So, again, ang union of sets, ang atong keyword kay giipon. So, giipon tanang sets sa S and B. Pero kailangan di magbalik-balik ha. So, ang elements of set S and B are A, B, C, D, G. A, B, C, D, G. Next, intersection of sets. So, set S intersect set B is equal to intersection. The keyword is common elements. So, common elements of S intersect B is D and G. So, good. Now we've learned the the meaning and also the examples of union and intersection of sets. Now let's go to the complement of sets and also the difference of two sets. So complement of sets or absolute complement of A denoted a complement is the set of all elements in X in the universal, such that X is not in A. Okay. So, ang complement of set iyang sign kay A nga naay kuwit. Ang complement of sets iyang sign kay A nga naay kuwit. So, kaning complements of sets kuan kuan ni siya kana atong keyword ani kay unsay wala sa kuha. Ah, sige. Unsay unsay wala sa kuha. Again, ang atong keyword is unsay wala sa kuha. So in terms of love life no, sakit ni siya. Unsay wala sa kuha na naa siya. Pero in terms of in a group, good po ni siya kay unsay wala sa kuha nga nasa inyo ha, na puwede mo magkuan, tipon og kusog para mahimo ang usa ka task, ana. So, next, we've got the difference of two sets. So the difference of A and B, or relative complement of B with respect to A. So denoted by A minus B. So difference of two sets, so yung naka-sign, difference good. So difference is minus. So therefore, A minus B. So, pare po concept pod sa A, sa minus minus, unsa na lang. Sorry, sorry. So, kani di ay, unsa na lang mabilin kang A kung wala si B, or unsa na lang ko kung wala siya. Char. So, ang different of two sets, unsay unsa na lang, ah, kuha na, unsa na lang ko, unsa na lang si A di ay. Unsa na lang si A kung wala si B. Kung wala si B. Okay, all done. So, again, ang complement of sets atong sign ana kay A nga naikuwit. A nga naikuwit. Unya yung keyword is unsay wala sa kuha nga naa sa tanan. Next, difference of two sets. Difference, chill lang siya. Difference is minus A minus B. So, atong keyword is unsa na lang si A kung wala si B. So, now let's go here sa example. So, same example lang gyapon to, no? Sa hatong niagi na ko ana to si union and intersection. So, katulad kay mong students naganahag soccer og basketball. So, now let's find the complement of sets. So, ang S complement, so muni siyang S, unsay wala kang S, unsay wala ka sa kuha. So, ang wala sa iyaha is B and C. And next one pod, this time it's B complement. B complement. Mm. Unsay wala sa kuha, so unsay wala kang B, it's A. So, at kung tan-awon nimo siya, sayo na siya, no. Pero mag-careful lang ta, especially if naa siya universal. Universal ba? Universal. So, for example, naay ganahag soccer, naay ganahag basketball, pero naay mga ubang students na dili ganahan sa duha, soccer ug basketball. For example, ah, kana siya kay si Kate ug si Lovely. Okay. So, ang universal gyud kay universal set or naa saya tanan is A, D, oh my gosh. Okay. Ang nadyo sa uni again ha, magamit ko kuan, kanang touchscreen na lang ko kay kapay kayo. Okay. So, sa universal daw, for example, naa si A, B, C, D, G, K, L. So, muni ang ganahan sa soccer, ADG, and ang ganahan po sa basketball, BCDG. So, based sa universal, na yung mga letters, di ba, nga wala sa S o set S o B. Okay, kato na mga letters is C, K, and C, L. Pag wala gani sila sa sulod sa set, ibutang na nato sa gawas. So inani, K and L. So pag inana S complement, unsay wala kang S, ang wala kang S kay si B, C, unya i-apil po ni natong sa gawas. K and L, wala man na kang S. Wala man na sa iyaha. So kung sa B complement pod, unsay wala kang B, so ang wala kang B kay A and apil na si K and L. As what you can see here sa kuan. Sa na sa shading part. So next, difference of two sets, S minus B. So naka-formula diri no. Pero ang kuan dyan nato ani is katong keyword nato unsa na lang mabilin kaya ni S. Unsay mabilin kang S kung wala si B. So kung wala si B, walaon daw nato ni si A na lang mabilin ana. And the other one around, B minus S is equal to, wait lang, erase na ko. Erase. Okay. So, B minus S naman, unsa na lang mabilin kang B kung wala si S. Example, wala do si S. Ang mabilin kang B lang is B and C. B and C. So, next is symmetric difference of sets. If set A and B are two sets, their symmetric difference as the set consisting of all elements that belong to A or to B but not to both A and B, denoted by A symmetric difference of B. Okay. So, ang kaning symmetric difference, ang iyang sign is a circle, unya na X sa tunga B. So again, ang sign kay A circle niya X sa tunga and then B. So meaning ana ang ilahang tunga or ang ilahang common sa A on B walay labot. So murag mailhanin mo sa kung ano iyang sign. Ang tunga daw sa A and B walay labot. Again, ang tunga sa A and B walay labot. So, diri in this case, S, symmetric difference of B, wa daw labot ang tunga sa S and B. So, ang nabilin is ABC. Ana. So again, symmetric difference of sets, ang iyang sign, A, circle, unya na X sa tunga, then B. Og atong ilhanan ana, ang tunga sa A and B, EX. Ang, or walay labot. Ang tunga sa A and B, walay labot. So next, disjoint or non-intersecting. Two sets are called disjoint if and only if they have no element in common. Muning symbol niya, A, okay. So again, familiar ni siya na kung ano sign kani siya. So unsa gani ni na sign? Aha, this is intersection. So, ang A intersect B is equal to a null set. Or therefore, kung Bisaya unin nato, ang common element ni A and B kay wala. So example, sa set S is ADG and set B ang gananog basketball kay BEF. So tan-aw nimo diri wala siya common. So therefore, ang intersection of A and B is equal to a null set or walay sulod. So next, ordered pair. A and B. A is called the first component and B is called the second component. In general, A, B is not an element of B and A. Example, 2 and 5 is equal to 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. While 2 and 5 is not an element of 5 and 2. So, dapat kung kinsa to yung nauna, mo gyud daw to nauna kay kung i-shuffle daw nimo kay dili na daw na sila mao. So, mura gyapon nagkuan kato ganing Cartesian plane X and Y unya diri daw 5 diri ang 2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5. So, 2, 5, ang x kay 2, unya ang y kay 5, and 5, 2, ang x kay 5, ang y kay 2. So, tanaw ni mo ilang points, no? Pareha ba siya, pareha ba sila location? So, yes, dili siya parehag location. Therefore, dili pareha ang 2 and 5 and also 5 and 2. So muna ang ordered pair. So next, ordered pair, this time Cartesian products of sets A and B. So katong mga ordered pair nato kay murag ato siyang i-times or sa kanipod na sa in terms of sets kay atong i-distribute ba. So written as A times B, denoted by A times B, AB such that A is an element of A and B is an element of B. So example 2, 3, 5, and set B is 7 and 8. The results of ordered pair are written as A times B. So murag ato siyang distributive property ba. So kani sa first one 2 and 7, 2 and 8. Next is yes, 3 and 7, 3 and 8. And lastly we've got 5 and 7 and 5 and 8. Let's check. Okay, that's correct. So Cartesian products of sets A and B products, so times A times B. Okay. Hmm. So now let's review the things that we have talked about. So I want you to say the sign, no, say the symbol, and also the keyword. So first one, for union of sets, the sign is yes, A small UB. And union, unite, iip, the keyword is iipon tanang elements ni A and B. Next is intersection of sets. Ang symbol ani kay okay. Unya baliktad na B. So, intersection is asa sila nag-meet or ilahang si keyword nito ni common elements. Okay. Next, complement of sets. Atong symbol ani kay A na naay kuwit. So, sa complement of sets, ang iyang keyword kay unsay wala sa akoa. So, next difference of two sets katong chill lang. The sign is again sa complement of sets di ay nakalimot ko. A complement unsay wala sa kuha, particularly unsay wala kang A. Unsay wala kang A. So next difference of two sets, chill ni siya. Difference is minus A minus B. Hmm. And ato ang keyword ani is Unsa na lang si A kung wala si B? Kinsa si A kung wala si B? Next one, symmetric difference of sets. Ang iyang sign kay A, symmetric difference of B. Okay. So A circle and then na X ito nga. So kaning symmetric difference na kung ano man yun yan na na naingon nakuan man masabtan man nimo sa iyahang sign no. Ang circle ang iyang tunga kay walay labot. So walay labot ang common sa A and B. Next, disjoint or non-intersecting. Ang iyang sign, maingon na ako ang sign. A intersect B is equal to a null set. Disjoint or wala siya ka-join, walay common. Wala din sila common. Next, ordered pair. Katong ordered pair kay lahi ra si 2 and 5 and 5 and 2. So next, Cartesian products of sets A and B is A product man daw. So times B. So atong libuat ato no ang mga elements ni A gipang kuan ni B gipang sa tawag na gipang distributive. So mura to I hope that you listen all throughout the presentation today and na-retain jud sa inyo ha ang mga concepts na ako ang gipang storya dire. So please review and also master it by seeing it again, putting it in a notebook and teaching it to your classmates. So mo jud na siya ang kuan, mo na siya ang sitaw na, mo na siya ang sikreto para ma-retrieve dayon nimo ang information and makakuan ka dili mo malimtan ana. So thank you so much for listening. I hope that nakuan sa inyohang utok and also my tips on how to study smartly. So that would be all. See you when I see you. Goodbye, class.